Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to present my research titled Human Onomatopoeia and Meaning in the Webtoon Study Group Season 1 by Shin Hyung-wook and its implication for Indonesian language learning in senior high school. My name is Ibda Binafsih from Universitas Pancasakti Tegal. This research was conducted together with my co-authors, Ms. Husnul Khotimah and Mr. Syamsul Anwar. Let me start with the background. Nowadays, language does not only appear in written or spoken form, it is also combined with visual elements in digital media, such as webtoons. In these comics, onomatopoeia, the imitation of sounds, help to show actions, atmosphere, and characters' expressions. I chose the webtoon Study Group Season 1 by Shin Hyung-wook because it has many fight scenes and movement, so it uses a lot of onomatopoeia. It also has a school life theme, which is close to senior high school students. Based on my observation, only 46% of 11th grade students knew the term onomatopoeia. This shows that student understanding is still low. So, my research objective is to describe the form and meaning of human onomatopoeia in this webtoon and its implication for Indonesian language learning in senior high school. Now I will explain my methodology. First, I use a descriptive qualitative approach. This means the data is explained in words, not numbers. Second, my data source is the Webtoon Study Group Season 1 from 3 episodes. Third, I collect the data using observation and note taking. I read each episode carefully to find the onomatopoeia. Fourth, I analyze the data using the referential identity method. I look at the context of each scene to understand the meaning more accurately. Now, let's move to the results. I found 53 onomatopoeia data in total across 3 episodes. There are 3 forms: nature onomatopoeia, human onomatopoeia, and miscellaneous or object onomatopoeia. Human onomatopoeia is the most dominant, with 35 data or 66.04%. It is mostly used to describe punch, footstep, and other human activities. Also, 24 data or 68.57% have non-lexical meaning. This means the meaning depends on the story's context, not on the dictionary. Let me show you 2 examples. The first is tap tap. This imitates the sound of light footstep when the characters walk casually to the school gate. The repetition shows a calm and steady rhythm. The second is book. This describes the sound of a hard punch between characters. It is a non-lexical onomatopoeia, but the sharp visual lines make the impact feel strong and fast. Next, I will explain the implications of my findings for Indonesian language learning. This is relevant for grade 11, phase F, in the chapter about writing short stories based on everyday events. The form and meanings of onomatopoeia I found can be used as a linguistic reference for students. It helped them describe sounds, movement, atmosphere, and characters' expressions, so their stories become more vivid and communicative. To conclude, human onomatopoeia is the most dominant form in this webtoon, mostly describing punch, footsteps, and human movement. Non-lexical meaning is more dominant than lexical meaning, showing that onomatopoeia here is used flexibly depending on the story. Finally, these findings can help senior high school students write short stories that are more vivid, communicative, and interesting for readers. Thank you very much for your attention.